Hi everybody, it is April 4th, 2025, and I'm going to do an unboxing. And we already have several of these items and I'm going to show you. They are Roku brand security cameras. We have a stable camera right now in this window, and we have a 360 viewing camera in our kitchen and one in our living room. But these are waterproof cameras and they go outside. So I've got the box. Got the, sorry, I have our scanner turned on because we are having another night of severe weather. But anyway, I am opening up this. I've not opened it up. I don't know what's all included. And of course, it is also sealed up. These were $49.88 on clearance at Walmart. And we like the Roku cameras because they're affordable. And you can watch them right over your television. And you control them with an app. Now, um, here is the little camera. Comes wrapped up in this. I wanted to get these because using the indoor cameras facing outwards through a window, you get a lot of reflection from the infrared light, and you can't really do the oh, you know what I'm thinking. I can't remember that they charge up right through there, and it seems like they might rotate. I don't know much about these cameras, to be honest. Um, I have a handy dandy charger right here. This one won't fit, but I'm sure we have one. But these charged up right here, and more stuff in here. Like Christmas. Here's the base. Have to put a landline in there, and it's got the little power plug. I'm unboxing. Trip's going to have to be the one to put it all together. Yeah, it's in there good too. Little screws, molly bolts, little molly bolts or whatever. Silica packages too. Here is a USB cord. They come each with a USB cord. Yeah, I wasn't kidding. I didn't know what was in here. And here is the landline phone cord. And let's see. Hopefully there is a box of instructions in here. Or maybe you have to go online and look up how to do it. I'm going to tear this box apart. And there's no instructions or anything, just another pack of silica. At least not in this box. So we will look in here where I will produce. Oh, you can see it lightning. The booklet here. and another little pamphlet here. This is your quick start guide. It tells you for everything you need to do, duck and cover because the storm is coming. First, plug in your base station into power. Using the station's USB port, connect the charging cable in the micro USB port on the back of your camera. And it tells you everything you need to know. And it tells you what the different lights mean. Um, so they're pretty easy to use. The only thing that we've had problems with is that the app is constantly telling us that we need to update the firmware. And we've had these cameras at Christmas time, or my parents gave us money, gave all us kids money for Christmas, so we wanted security cameras, and we bought these right around a couple days after Thanksgiving or the week after or whatever. And we have been trying constantly to update the firmware, and it just won't. We end up getting it to work, but I don't understand. It's we both got new phones. I had an iPhone before and it wouldn't do that, and now we both have the iPhones. I don't know what's going on with it, but we are able to record, as you can see in some of my videos I posted on our YouTube channel, that you can record on them, and you can also get what you call it, a subscription where they monitor everything, and you do get a you get a free trial. And I'll show you, here's the smartphone app. Um, this is what it looks like when it shows you your cameras. It's like my backyard camera. You can see the reflection of the camera. You can see the driveway kitchen camera and the living room camera, but that will change to this kitchen. I don't know where we'll put the backyard camera now that we're going to have this outdoor camera. And we'll also have one out front where the driveway is. Um, I'll show you what it does. I know it's hard to see, that's why I hold it up close. But it may not work very well because it is raining and our satellite for our internet does not work that great when it's raining. And see here it says firmware update required, and it won't update. But nonetheless, I still think they're good. We can be away from the house and we can check in on the house. I did it before, and Freya was right up on the fireplace, like watching the camera turn, and it was really funny. But so that's what I got for my birthday, one of my birthday presents from my husband. And here's my other present that I got. As y'all know, I'm a big train fan, and my favorite. Okay, when I was little, we lived with my grandparents, and every time I would hear a train, I would run down the stairs, the front stairs of our house, and down the sidewalk to see the train. And I wanted to see the Chessie Cat from the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad. But they've all merged and they're now under CSX, which is Chesapeake or Chessie Seaboard Railroad United combined or whatever. But anyway, I got this t-shirt today because I always loved the Chessie Kitty when I was a little girl, so I still love it. So now I have a t-shirt with Chessie. And if you're interested, you can go online and learn about Chessie. and her dad, who went off to fight in the World War II, and her mom, and she's got a brother or a sister, I'm not sure, but anyway, the saying was travel with Chassis and arrive fresh as a kitten. So anyway, it's a whole cute thing. And I was planning on wearing that tomorrow on my birthday trip to Marion, Ohio to train fan, but we're going to have severe weather and there's going to be another outbreak of tornadoes. And here we're supposed to get almost 3 inches of rain tomorrow. So, much to the delight of my mother, we are staying home because it'll make her feel better. And I don't think it'd be very much fun to travel 3 hours away just to sit in my car and have it rain the whole day. That's not fun. But we're going to go somewhere and have dinner. Hopefully, we do. That's our plan anyway. I got another video. We did get a new set of cookware, Tefal cookware. It was a 20 piece, and my husband did her unboxing of that. Haven't uploaded that yet, but I'm going to. And within that unboxing, I also showed our new cooking utensils that we got today for $1.50 at Walmart. They're all silicone. And they looked pretty nice and pretty reasonable. And they were pretty colors. There was pink, blue, and light purple. They also had a teal color and like a dark pink. But we got two rubber scrapers, two pancake like spatula turner things, a slotted spoon, and a non-slotted spoon. So hopefully those will work good with our new cookware. And you have this little teeny tiny cute little skillet. I told my husband I will carry it in my purse and smack him with it whenever he's mad. So anyway, still thunder, lightning, and thundering, and let's look at the radar here. It's 52 degrees. Feels like 52. 70% chance of light rain. And here's the Doppler. We are where all those dots are. Let's see. I am where the blue dot is. So, looks to be like we're going to have another rough night. I got friends in Terre Haute. I got family down on the Mississippi River near Maysville, Kentucky. I got some real friends that live there too, in Cincinnati and southern Indiana. And it's just been unbelievable the weather this past week, and it's not going to be any better. And a Sunday we're supposed to have freaking snow, if you can believe it. So anyway, I'm gonna get this all uploaded, and everybody stay safe. Ciao.